In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to add shadows in CSS. So enough talk, let's get it. If you're new around here, please like and subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. Your support will appreciate me. That will be appreciated, and your support will help me grow my channel. Okay, so for shadows are used for implementing out a element in the tags or as well in the style tag. So it will make the text look bland and more fancier, as you call it. So let's get into the demonstration. So I added a H1 text displaying like and subscribe, so make sure to like and subscribe. But anyways, apart from that, let's demonstrate on what shadows are. So there are two concepts of shadows. Number one is text shadow as a property, and number two is box shadow. So the purpose for text shadow is to align the text using the colors, making sure the shadow is displayed and clear. So for example, if I have a H1 tag and let's use text shadow. So if I put text in the search up bar, it will display shadow. There it is. And we'll use different pixels. So this displays 0 pixel, 0 pixel, and on 1 pixel. And then we'll change the color, let's say blue. Cool. Yeah, as you can see here, the shadow is now being displayed into blue. You can see slightly a bit. So let's do 4 pixels. And there we go. The shadow is now being clear clear and more wider. Yeah. So I display these pixels to show the meaning. So the first value, which is 0 pixels, to show meaning is the y value, and this is the x value and the y value. So the x value for this, or the x axis, it will show, or it will display the text will be on the right side. If it's on the y axis, it will display on the left side as well, as you can see here. So the y axes are down, and as well, if you put negative, it would go on the right. And now it displays in a different concept of shadows to make it more clearer and in a way that it alternates the both with the text and with the color as well. So pretty cool, right? And this one here for the final bit is where the text now displays, it spreads out the shadow, which displays like this. It spreads around the text, make it look more contrast and have a clear meaning. So this is text shadow. Okay, so I can also display the color within the color. So this one here to orange, and as you can see here in the browser, the color now evaporates. It shows a clear concept. So yeah, it looks pretty cool with the text and the align as well. Let's do align item center or text align to display as a title. Yeah, there we go. So now it's clear and contrast. I had to zoom it in to see the clear concept. So yeah, the blue and the orange blends well together and has a majority of color which mixes with both one element and another element as well in the text shadow. Okay, so the next topic and concept I'll be demonstrating you is box shadow. So the box shadow, it wraps around all the elements and making sure the elements is more wide and more sustainable to the element around it. So what that means is that box shadow is a way how that shadow is folded into that category. So for example, let's add the box shadow attribute here and do 20 pixels first bit, 20 pixels on the second bit, and 20 pixels. And there we go. As you can see here, the shadow is now being displayed. We can change its color to, let's say, gray, and yeah, it looks professional in concept. So let's say in your website, you'll be adding like a box shadow or text shadow, making the outline more clear and interactive. Okay, let's add pseudo classes, which is the hover class. So we talked about hover classes, and we can set the box shadow this time to 1 pixel repeated and black. And there we go. Now the hover class is now being displayed. I can now use my cursor to move around with the hover. And yeah, it's pretty cool. We could change slightly a bit to 20 pixels or 20. Same concept. And now it changes color from gray to black. It transforms from one color to another. And yeah, it's pretty amazing, really, and awesome. And I feel like you should try this one day. So I'm going to wrap up this video today. This was box shadows. And if you want to see more CSS content like this, comment down below and hit a like if you enjoyed this video. This is your boy Sofia Sensei. I'm out. Peace.